Hi everyone, this is Paul Sinclair, and today we'll be going over transcription on the trombone. So, transcription is the act of writing music on a sheet of staff paper that already exists. So, we're not creating new music, we're just writing music that already exists. So, we're going to be writing some sample rhythms and notes and pitches for the trombone. Materials that you'll need are a pen or a pencil. Pencil is preferred so you can erase your errors. Pen is fine so you can cross out your errors neatly. And staff paper, okay? Manuscript paper. You can go online and print out a sheet of manuscript paper and follow along with me, or you can go online and print out, get a copy, like purchase a copy of a manuscript book, okay? That has a bunch of sheets of it. The best way is just to print out one sheet as a PDF, okay? So we'll get started with writing. So here's our manuscript paper, okay? This is the staff, okay? It has a bunch of different lines and spaces, alright? So how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, okay? And how many spaces? 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces, okay? So we're going to begin by writing our clef. What's a clef, okay? A clef is a sign that tells us where the notes are on the staff, okay? This is a bass clef, alright? So let's practice writing that a few times. So for trombone, we read our music in bass clef. What we do is we draw a circle, a little dot on the 1, 2, 3, 4th line, okay, the 4th line, and we make a C that goes around just like this, backwards C, okay? And then 2 dots. This is also called the F clef because it starts on the F line. So do one last bass clef here. Alright. So that's our clef, alright? We're going to commence to writing our key signature, okay? Key signature tells us which notes are what quality through the entire piece, okay? So our key signature is going to be B flat for trombone, okay? It's going to start with a flat sign on the 2nd line, okay? Right here. And a flat sign on the 3rd space, okay? So B flat and E flat. So that says all the B flats and the E flats in the piece are flat, okay? Then we're going to write our time signature. 4, 4, okay? That's 4 counts per measure, and the quarter note gets the count. That's what this says, okay? Alright, so it's 2, 4, 2, 4. Let's write that here. 2, 4. That's 2 counts per measure, okay? Top line says how many counts are in a measure, and the second one says which note value gets the count. So 4 says that the quarter note gets the count, okay? So we're going to start off by writing a note, okay? This is on the 1, 2, 3, 4th line, okay? Remember what we talked about earlier? It's an F, and this is a whole note, okay? Whole note. Whole note. It's 4 counts, alright? So if there are 4 counts in a whole note, we've already completed counts in a whole note, we've already completed a measure. And so we draw a bar line, okay? Let's do another one. Let's do E flat. Alright, since we already have a flat here in our key signature, we've got E, and so it's flat, okay? This is 1st slide. This is 3rd slide. Alright, it's a whole note, 4 counts, so we finish the measure. So we draw a bar line. This is a bar line. Alright, let's keep going. Writing all the notes. Alright, here we go. This one, 3rd space, 1, 2, 3. Which one is that? It's the 4th slide, that's a D, okay? And then we'll do another one. This is 6th slide. Here's a C, okay? It's the alphabet backwards. F, E, D, C. The last one we'll do right here. That's B flat, first slide. Same slide as F, okay? So we have a little warm up here we can do. All right, whole notes, descending. Okay, let's keep going. Let's do half notes. What do half notes look like? Half note, okay? They have a stem, and they have an open little neum. We call this a neum, okay? That's a half note. 2 counts. Okay? 2 counts. So 2 half notes equals 4 counts. All right? 2 times 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay? And that's 4 counts. All right? So that says that the bar is over. All right? Let's do another one. Remember this note? C. All right? So we make our bar line. All right? And if you happen to be going to the next staff, we have to rewrite our clef, bass clef, and we have to rewrite our key signature. We don't have to rewrite the time signature. So we do B flat and E flat. All right. So let's do the next note. After C is D. So once we get to the third line, the stems start to go down, okay? So 2 Ds, that's 4 counts. Next one, E flat, okay? 2 E flats, 2 half note E flats, 4 counts. Next one, F. All right, 2 Fs, got it? Yeah, all right. So how do we get to the next rhythm, okay? We just divide it in half. Half note divided is a quarter note. What do those look like? They look a lot like half notes, except for we fill in the neum. Okay, we still have a stem. Stem still goes down. All right. We only go up when it's below the third line here. Okay, they go down when it's above. What's the third line and above? Okay. So how many Fs to make a measure? How many quarter notes do we need to make a measure? So if 2 half notes make a measure, 2 counts per, 2 plus 2 is 4. This is worth 1 count. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. All right, so how many 1 plus 1 is 4? All right, so how many quarter notes do we need to make 4 counts? 4, that's correct. All right, here we go. 3, 4, okay? 4 Fs. See, it's on the 4th line, first slide. Let's go to E flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Let's go to D. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Let's go to C. 1, stems go up. 2, 3, 4. Okay, end of the staff here. Let's rewrite. B flat, E flat. Okay, and then B flats. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. There are other rhythms, except for this is all we're going to go over today. Whole note, half note, and quarter note. Okay? Quarter note. So this is something you can do. You can practice writing rhythms, practice writing these notes in different combinations. All right? We finish the piece, so we do a double bar line. Thank you very much for your time. I'm Paul Sinclair. Have a great day.